Welcome to my channel YGrim24.
Hello, children. Today, our topic is counting objects. Let's begin. Count the frogs. How many are there?
There are 2 frogs.
Yes. You are right. There are 2 frogs. 1 and 2.
Count the fish. How many are there?
There are 4 fish.
That's correct. Well done. There are 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Count the honeybees. How many are there?
There are 8 honeybees.
Great job. You got it right. There are 8 honeybees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Count the dogs. How many are there?
There are 3 dogs.
Exactly. You're so smart. There are 3 dogs. 1, 2, and 3.
Count the rabbits. How many are there?
There are 5 rabbits.
Yes, that's it. Keep it up. There are 5 rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Count the cakes. How many are there?
There are 6 cakes.
Yes, wonderful. There are 6 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Count the snake. How many are there?
There is only 1 snake.
Yes. There is only 1 snake. 1.
Count the bananas. How many are there?
There are 7 bananas.
Perfect answer. There are 7 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Count the stars. How many are there?
There are 10 stars.
Correct. There are 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Count the teddies. How many are there?
There are 9 teddies.
That's right. You really understand this topic. There are 9 teddies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.